Hello friends, now here we are discussing the point bilinear transformation. Now this is the heading under the functions of complex variable. The transformation of the form W is equals to AZ plus B upon CZ plus D. So the transformation of this form where A, B, C, D are complex constants these are the complex constants and AD minus BC this is not equals to 0 is known as bilinear transformation. So this is the transformation that we are starting the discussion on this bilinear transformation under the heading of functions of complex variable. Now bilinear transformation is a combination of basic transformation, first translation, next rotation and magnification, and third one inversion. So this bilinear transformation is combination of these three basic transformations, that is translation, rotation and magnification, and one more, that is inversion. A bilinear transformation can be uniquely determined if we know the three distinct points Z1, Z2, Z3 onto the 3 points W1, W2, W3. So bilinear transformation can be uniquely determined if it maps 3 distinct points Z1, Z2, Z3 onto W1, W2, W3 points by using this cross ratio formula W minus W1, W2 minus W3 upon W minus W3, W2 minus W1, which is equals to Z minus Z1, Z2 minus Z3 upon Z minus Z3, Z2 minus Z1. So in engineering syllabus oriented, we will go with this formula, or you can refer this formula also for bilinear transformation. So any one of this formula you can use for the discussion of bilinear transformation. Now you refer H.K. Das or Grewal book. In that they have used this formula W equals to AZ plus B upon CZ plus D, or some problems they can solve by using this formula, that is cross ratio formula. तो अब इसको कैसे याद रखना है? There are 3 points W1, W2, W3. So we'll start with W minus 1, 2, 3 in the denominator, W minus 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. उसको reverse direction में लिखना है. Equal to same for Z. There are 3 points 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Z minus 3, 2, 1. Write down that into reverse order. So this is a discussion of bilinear transformation. With the help of this formula or by using this, we will try to simplify the bilinear transformation examples. Thank you.